Welcome to my channel. Today let's learn tricks and techniques in mathematics. So let us check it.
Hello friends, Namaskar. Today we have come up with a new topic of statistics, and the topic today is median, where we have the formula. Median is given by the formula L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into H, where L is the lower limit of median plus. What is that median plus? We are going to discuss it while solving the problem. N is the number of observations. CF is the cumulative frequency of class preceding the median class. F is the frequency of median class. H is the class size, and assuming class size to be equal. So median is a measure of central tendency which gives the value of the middlemost observation in the data. Suppose in this scale we have the middlemost. This is the middlemost in data as well. We'll take the middlemost value of the observation. So to know and learn better, let us go to the chapter and solve some problem.
Is this how you repay me?
Here we have a question. The distribution below gives the weights of 30 students of a class. Find the median weight of the students. So let us prepare the cumulative frequency table with their respective class intervals, which is here we are preparing the cumulative frequency table. So we write these two here. So 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 8 is 13, 13 plus 6 19, 19 plus 6 25, 25 plus 3 28, 28 plus 2 30. So we have n value here as 30. So this implies n by 2 is equal to 30 by 2, which is 15. Cumulative frequency just greater than 15 is 19, belonging to the class interval 55 to 60. Therefore median class is 55 to 60. Here lower limit is 55, frequency 6, cumulative frequency of median class is 13. This is our cumulative frequency F. Class size H is 60 minus 55. So now with the formula, let's calculate the median. As L 55 and by 2 is 15 minus C cumulative frequency is 13 divided by 6 is our frequency into H is 5. So we calculate it here 55 plus 2 by 6 into 5, which is equal to 55 plus, we can divide it, 2 1 2, 2 3 6, so it is equal to 5 1 5 by 3. So this we after dividing will get 1.67. So the sum of these two will be 56.67. Therefore the median weight is 56.67, which is our answer. Here we have a question. The following table gives the distribution of the lifetime of 400 neon lamps. Here is the table. Find the median lifetime of a lamp.
Pause the video and try to solve it.
So we prepare a table, cumulative frequency table. We have here 14. So 14 plus 56, 70. So 70 plus 60, 130. 130 plus 86 is 216 plus 74 is 290. So 290 plus 62 is 352. So 352 plus 48 is 400. So we have n value as 400. We find out n by 2, which is equal to 400 by 2, which is 200. Cumulative frequency just greater than 200 216, which belongs to the class interval 3000 to 3500. So median class is 3000 to 3500. Lower limit is our 3000. Class size is 3500 minus 3000, which is 500. Frequency of the median class is 6. Cumulative frequency of class preceding the median class CF here. This is our F. So let us use the formula to calculate the median. So we substitute the value, and after calculation we have, and this is 70 into 500 divided by 86. So this will be equal to 3000 plus 7 5 is 35 by 86. If we divide it, we'll get 406.976. So after adding, we'll get 3406.976, which is our median. Therefore, median lifetime of lamp is 3406.98 approximately hours. This is our answer. A life insurance agent found the following data for distribution of ages of 100 policy holders. Calculate the median age if policies are given only to person having age 18 years onward but less than 60 years. Data given below. So let us solve it. Here in this table, we can see that the weight of the class is not same as it is asking from 18 years onward. So the given frequency table is of less than type, represent with upper class limits. So the policy were given only to the person with age 18 years onward but less than 60 years. So class interval with the respective cumulative frequency is given in the table here. We have prepared the table, cumulative frequency table, and we have seen that n is 100. So n by 2 will be 100 divided by 2, which is 50. Cumulative frequency just greater than 100 is our 78, belonging to interval 35 to 40. So this will be our median class. So lower limit is our 35. Class size is 40 minus 35 will be 5. Frequency of the median class is 33. Cumulative frequency class preceding the median class is 45. So let us substitute the value in the formula and calculate it. Here we have substituted the value. Let's calculate it. 35 plus 50 minus 45 is 5. 5 times 25 divided by 33, which after calculation it will be 35 plus, after dividing it we get 0.76. So this will be 35.76. So therefore median age is 35.76 years. This is our answer. Here we have a question. The lengths of 40 leaves of a plant are measured correct to the nearest millimeter and the data obtained is represented in the following table. Find the median of the leaf. The data needs to be converted to continuous classes for finding the median. Since the formula assumes continuous classes, the classes then change to 117.5 to 126.5, 126.5 to 135.5, ... 171.5 to 180.5. So let us solve it. From the table, it can be observed that the data does not have a continuous class interval. So it can be seen that a difference of 1 is there in the class interval. So therefore, half we subtract from the lower limit and half we add to the upper limit to get this table and prepare the cumulative frequency table. So we are preparing it. We decrease half from the lower limit and increase half to the upper limit. So we get 117.5, 126.5. Likewise we did the other also. We have the number of leaves Fi 359. So we made the cumulative frequency table. So 3, it is 3 plus 5, which is 8. So 8 plus 9 is 17. 17 plus 12 is our 29. 29 plus 5 is our 34. 34 plus 4 is our 38 plus 2 is 40. So it can be observed that here n is our 40. So we find out n by 2, which is 40 by 2, which is 20. Cumulative frequency just greater than 20 is 29, belonging to the class interval 144.5 to 153.5. So our lower limit is 144.5 and class size is 153.5 minus 144.5, which is 9. Frequency of the median class is our 12. Cumulative frequency is our 17. So we use these things in the formula to calculate the median. So we substitute the value and we get 144.5. After subtracting it, we get 3 divided by 12 into 9. So 3 1 is 3, 3 4 is 12, equal to 144.5 plus 9 by 4 is equal to 144.5, which after dividing it to 0.25. So the total is 146.75. Therefore, median length of the leaves is 146.75 millimeter is our answer. If the median of the distribution given below is 28.5, find the value of x and y. The data are given below. From this data, we find the cumulative frequency for the as calculated here. So we are preparing the table. So we write this cumulative frequency as 5 here. So this will be 5 plus x, 5 plus 20 is 25 plus x, 25 plus 15 will be 40 plus x. So this will be 40 plus x plus y, 45, 40 plus 5 is 45 plus x plus y. So from this table it is observed that n is equal to 60. So we find out n by 2, which is 60 by 2, which is 30. Now it can be seen that this total will be equal to 60. So 45 plus x plus y is 60. So this will be equal to x plus y equal to 60 minus 45 is 15. So this we write equation number 1. And it is given in the question that median is 28.5, which lies in the class interval 20 to 30. So therefore median class will be 20-30. So L will be our 20, class size H will be 30 minus 20, which is 10. Frequency is our 20, and CF cumulative frequency preceding the median class is 5 plus x. So therefore median formula we have. So we substitute the value. L is 20, median is 28.5, n by 2 is our 30, CF is our 5 plus x into H is our 10. So this will be equal to 8.5 equal to 30 minus 5 will be 25 minus x, 10 to the 20 divided by 2. So this will be 17 equal to 25 minus x. So x will be 25 minus 17, which is equal to 8. From equation 1 we have x plus y equal to 15. So we substitute the value of x as 8 plus y is equal to 15. So y is equal to 7. So therefore x equal to 8 and y equal to 7 is our answer.
Is this how you behave?
The following frequency distribution gives the monthly consumption of electricity of 68 consumers of a locality. Find the median, mean and mode of the data and compare them. Here data given below. So we have prepared a table where we have written the monthly consumption in units 65 to 85, 85 to 105, 105 to, which is given in the question itself, and we have written the number of consumers 4, 5, 13, 20, 14, 8, 4, which gives a total of 68. Now to get the cumulative frequency we write this 4 here, and with this 4 we add 5, 4 plus 5 is 9, and with this 9 we add this 13, 9 plus 13 is 22. With this 22 we add 20 to get 42. 42 plus 14 gives 56. 56 plus 8 gives 64. 64 plus 4 gives 68, which is the total. So from table we have n equal to 68, and we found out n by 2, which is 34. So cumulative frequency just greater than 34 is our 42, belonging to interval 125 to 145. So therefore this will be our median class. So lower limit of median class is 125. So class size will be 145 minus 125, which will be 20. Frequency of the median class is 20. Cumulative frequency of class of this class preceding the median class, preceding this median class is 22. So we substitute the value in the formula median equal to n plus n by 2 minus CF divided by f into h as 125 within bracket 34 minus 22 divided by 20, and get 34 minus 22 is 12. 20 and 20 we can cancel both. We get 137. Therefore median is 137. Now let us calculate the mean.
Is this how you
For mean we add these two and divide it by 2 to get 75. This will be 95. This will be 115. 135. This will be 155. 175, and this will be 195. We add these two and divide it by 2. We take 135 as our assumed mean and calculate di, which is xi minus a. So 75 minus 135 minus 60. So this 95 minus 135 will be minus 40. So this will be 115 minus 135 is minus 20. 155 minus 135 is 20. 75 minus 135 will be 40. 195 minus 135 will be 60. Now here we see that 85 minus 65, which is our class size h, is 20. So we divide this minus 60 by 20 to get minus 3. This we divide and get it minus 2. This we get minus 1, here 0, and here it will be 1, 2, 3. Now we multiply this fi and di dash to get fi di dash. So 4 into minus 3 is minus 12. 5 into minus 2 is minus 10. 13 into minus 1 is minus 13. So this will be 0. 14 into 1 is 14. 8 2 is 16. 4 3 is 12. So we group this into two parts as negative part and positive part. We add it and take the sum of these two to get 7. Now from this table we have summation fi is 68, summation fi di dash is 7, h is our 20, a is 135. Now let us use the formula to calculate mean. We substitute the value in the formula of mean a plus summation fi di dash divided by summation fi into h as 135 plus 7 by 68 into 20 to get 135 plus 7 into 20 is 140 divided by 68, which after calculation we have 140. If we divide by 68 we will get 2.058. After adding we will get 137.058. So this will be our mean, 137.058. This is our answer. Now let us calculate the mod. From this table it can be observed that the maximum class frequency is 20, so belonging to 125 to 145 class interval. So this will be our model class. Lower limit is 125, class size will be 145 minus 125 is 20. Frequency of the model class is 21. Frequency f0 of class preceding the model class is 13. Frequency f2 of class succeeding the model class 14. So let us calculate the mod using the formula. Here we have substituted the value in the formula mod equal to L plus f1 minus f0 divided by 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. So L is 125, 20 minus 13 divided by 20, 20 minus 13 minus 14 into 20. So let's calculate this. 125 plus 7 divided by 220 is 40, 40 minus 27, 13. So it is 125 plus 720 is 140 divided by 13, which will be equal to 125 plus 10.76, which is 135.76. This is our mod. Therefore, the median is 137 units, mean is 137.05 unit, and the mod is 135.76 from the given data respectively. The three measures are approximately the same in this case. So now we have a question here. 100 surnames were randomly picked up from a local telephone directory, and the frequency distribution of the number of letters in the English alphabets in the surname was obtained as follows in the table given below. Determine the median numbers of letters in the surnames. Find the mean number of letters in the surname. Also find the model size of the surnames. So let us calculate the median first of all. Here we are preparing the cumulative frequency table, where we have written the number of letters, number of surnames, which is the frequency. So cumulative frequency will be this 6 will come up here. 6 plus 30 is 36. 36 plus 40 is 76. 76 plus 16 will be 92. So 92 plus 4 will be 96. 96 plus this 4 is total 100. So we have here n 100 from the table. Calculate n by 2, which is 50. The cumulative frequency just greater than 50 is our 76, belonging to interval 7 to 10. So therefore median class is our 7 to 10, or limit is our 7, frequency is our 40, cumulative frequency preceding the median class is our 36, height is 10 minus 7, which is 3. So let us put this value in the formula and calculate it. We have substituted the value and let us calculate now. 50 minus 36, 14 into 3 divided by 40. 2 7 is 14, 2 20 is 40. So we have 7 plus 7 3 is 21 divided by 20. If we divide this 21 by 20, we get 1.05. So the total of these two is 8.05. This is our median. Now let us calculate the mean. Here we are trying to prepare the table for calculating mean. So we find out the xi value, which is the mid value. We add the lower limit and upper limit and divide it by 2. 1 plus 4 is 5, divided by 2 is 2.5. This will be 8.5 11.5, 14.5, 17.5. We use 11.5 as the mean. Now let us calculate di value, which is xi minus a. Di dash is di by 3, like this, by 3 to get minus 9 divided by 3 is minus 3, minus 2, so minus 1, 0, 3 divided by 3 is 1, 6 divided by 3 is 2. Now let us multiply f and di dash. Minus 6 into minus 3 is minus 18. So the total is minus 118. Summation fi di dash is minus 106. Plus into minus is minus. So if we divide, we get 3.18. After subtracting it, we get 8.32, which is our mean. Now let us calculate the mode. From the table, it can be observed that the maximum class frequency belongs to the class interval 7 to 10. So therefore model class is 7 to 10. Lower limit of model class is 7. Class size 10 minus 7, which is 3. Frequency f1 of model class is 40. Frequency f0 of class preceding the model class is 30. Frequency f2 class succeeding the model class is 16. Let us substitute this value and calculate the mode. Here we substituted the value. Let us calculate now. 7 plus 10 by 240 is 80 minus 46 into 3 is equal to 7 plus 3 is 30 divided by 34. After dividing it, we get 0.88. So this will be equal to 7.88. Therefore, mode is 7.88, where we can say that median number and mean number of letters in surname is 0.05 and 8.32 respectively, while model size of surname is 7.88. This is a formula of mean, median, mode, where it is given by 3 median equal to mode plus 2 mean, and is called empirical formula relation with the 3 measures of central tendency. This can be used for calculating if one of its value is given and the remaining 2 can be found out. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, and please don't forget to share with your friends, and please subscribe my channel. Feel free to comment below and the topic you may need to solve it. Please subscribe and share. Thank you once again.